Good evening, students. How are you all? Fine. Okay, very good. Students, now is the session of business study. Okay, known to all. In the previous session of business study, we had started a new chapter, and that is the principles of management. A long chapter carrying high marks and so many important topics we have to read, we have to study in this chapter. Okay, in the previous class we had discussed about the principles of management. Okay, we had seen that principles of management are the statements based on some fundamental truths and facts, and which provide a guidelines to the managers in making their decisions and solving different problems of the organization. Okay, these are called the principles of management. Okay, what is the importance of the principles of management? Also, we had discussed the two highlights yesterday, such as we discussed that the principles of management provide a useful insight to the managers. Okay, second, we discussed the principles of management when are practiced, when are applied in day-to-day operations of the business of an organization, then it ensures optimum utilization of the available resources. Okay, the third importance of the principles of management can be given as it helps in making scientific decisions by the managers. Okay, already we know the managers working in an organization in different capacities have to make their decisions. Okay, these decisions may be routine decisions related to day-to-day operations of business, or maybe the major decisions. Okay, the managers must take a scientific decision when such a situation arises. A scientific decision means a balanced decision. Okay, that means a manager should take any decision in such a way, in such a manner that it affects the organization, all over the organization positively, not negatively. Means a scientific decision is one which has maximum positive impacts and minimum negative impacts, and which could satisfy everyone working in the organization. Okay, so sometimes when chaotic situations arise, controversies arise, conflicts arise, then the managers have to make major decisions. Okay, and if they follow some of the basic principles of management, they can make more balanced decision, or they can make scientific decisions. Okay, the next one is the next importance which can be given in support of the principles of management is as it helps in meeting the changing environmental requirements. You know, students, modern business is practiced in fast changing environment. That means the business environment of today is rapidly changing, very fastly changing. Okay, and the management of an organization has to cope up with these changes, and they have to suffer with the possible impacts of the changes. Okay, if the managers do not upgrade their way of functioning, do not upgrade their organizations in accordance with the changes taking place in environment, then the organization may not be successful, the goals cannot be achieved, and even the organization may fail. Okay, so if the managers apply some of the basic principles of management while practicing in the organization, then they can easily meet the requirements of the changes taking place in different dimensions of business environment. Overall, you can say by following the principles of management, the environmental changes can be adjusted by bringing about necessary changes in the organization. Okay. Now, the next argument which can be given to prove the importance of management is as the principles of management help in fulfilling social responsibilities of management. You know, children, nowadays the social accountability of management is being given more and more importance, and the society is expecting something more than the quality products at fair prices from the management of a business organization. Okay, thus by following some of the basic principles of management, the managers can fulfill their social obligations in better way. Okay, such as the principle of fair remuneration, the principle of equity, etc., can help the managers in fulfilling their social accountability. Okay, so from this point of view, you can say the principles of management helps in social development also. Okay, last but not least, the principles of management help in management training, education and research. You know, management is an ongoing process, and as the time is passing, the environment is changing, the norms of business are changing, the concepts of business are changing, so there are several revolutionary changes also in the field of management. Okay, and nowadays maximum importance is given to management training, to management education, researches. You know, students, training, education and researches in the field of management are very essential for meeting the changing requirements of business environment, as well as for managing the business in better way. Okay, the training, education, researches, etc. improve overall efficiency of the organization. Okay, so in modern age, most of the reputed organizations are giving maximum emphasis on these things, right? If the managers follow some of the basic principles in their day-to-day practices of management, then they can easily train themselves, they can easily educate themselves, and they can find out something new for betterment of the organization through researches. Okay, so till now we have finished the topic meaning and importance of the principles of management. Okay, and now I would like to suggest you all to go through this topic in something detailed from the textbook and do all the related questions whatever seem to be necessary from board examinations point of view. Okay, tomorrow I will start the next topic, next most important topic of the same chapter. Okay, and thank you very much. Love to.